Junior English presents Hello, my superheroes! It's so good to see you back on the Junior English YouTube channel. Today is a green day, and I'm really loving it. Green is such a calming colour, don't you think? How about you? Do you like green too?
Hooray!
That's awesome! I've got some surprises in store for you. Are you excited?
Hooray!
Well, you excited? Well, here's the first one. Come on in, please.
This is my friend, Tinkerbell. Welcome to our class, my dear friend.
My lovely friend, I'm so glad to be here with you.
It's always a pleasure to be with you. Tinkerbell, please tell me what your favourite colour is.
Green is my favourite colour. Look at me. I'm green from head to toe.
Great! So, what is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of green?
Of course, nature comes to mind for me.
Awesome! So, my superheroes, here is another surprise for you. We are going on a nature adventure to explore all the amazing green animals and plants that live in the great outdoors. Get ready for a fun and exciting experience.
Hooray!
Let's get started.
Colours for Kids. Green in Nature. A level English for young learners.
Green, green, everywhere. Let's explore the wonderful world of green and discover all the amazing animals and plants that come in this vibrant colour. Along the way, we'll learn new words too. Get ready to dive into the amazing world of green.
Caterpillar. A green caterpillar. Butterfly. A green butterfly. Bird. A green bird. Frog. A green frog. Fish. A green fish. Turtle. A green turtle. Snake. A green snake. Insect. A green insect. Lizard. A green lizard. Crocodile. A green crocodile. Dinosaur. A green dinosaur. Dragon. A green dragon. Flower. A green flower. Leaf. A green leaf. Tree. A green tree. Forest. A green forest. Summary. Caterpillar. Butterfly. Bird. Frog. Fish. Turtle. Snake. Insect. Lizard. Crocodile. Dinosaur. Dragon. Flower. Leaf. Tree. Forest.
Wow! Nature is so beautiful. Look at all the different shades of green. It's like a magical world. All the trees, plants, animals, and also my little fairies. They are so beautiful, aren't they?
And now it's quiz time. There will be 2 parts. In part 1, there will be 2 options. I will ask my question, and you will find the right picture between options. And in the second part, the images will be on the screen. I will ask what the image on the screen is, and you will select the correct answer from the options, okay? Are you ready for this mini test? Let's begin. Part 1. Which one is it? Which one is a green butterfly? On the left side or the right side? Correct answer. The green butterfly is on the left side. Well done. A new question. Which one is a green fish? Please tell me on which side the green fish is. You're right. The green fish is on the right side. Good job, my superheroes. And this one. Which one is a green flower? Which side do you think the green flower's on? Left or right? Brilliant! The green flower is on the left side. Awesome! A new question. Which one is a green bird? Can you tell me which side the green bird's on? Left or right? Excellent, my superheroes. It's on the right side. You're doing great. And the last one. We're looking for a green caterpillar. Which one is a green caterpillar? Correct answer. The green caterpillar is on the left side. Fantastic, my superheroes. I'm proud of you. Make it a little more difficult, okay? Go on. Part 2. What is this? What do you see on the screen, my superheroes? What is this? A green dinosaur or a green dragon? This is a green dinosaur. Correct answer. And this one? What is this? A green bird or a green turtle? Yes, this is a green turtle. Isn't it cute? Let's check out the third question. What's on the screen? What do you think it is? A green crocodile or a green leaf? That's right. It's a green crocodile. Look at those sharp teeth. Well done, my superheroes. What about this one? What is this? A green tree or a green leaf? Which one? Awesome. Here comes the final question. What's on the screen? Is it a green lizard or a green insect? Excellent. This is a green insect. Great job, my little chumps. We've successfully completed our mini tests about green in nature. Awesome work. What's up next? Here's the mission. Repeat the green creatures in nature in English. Do you like the colour green? Yes or no? Think of something else that is green and found in nature. Draw a picture of it and label it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to join the Junior English family and like the videos. Let's be a big family together. See you in the next video.
Junior English presented